So this lovely lady has a anterolisthesis of L4 and L5, which means that the fourth lumbar vertebrae has slid forward on the fifth lumbar vertebrae. She's also got hyperlordosis, meaning too much lumbar curvature. So you're seeing a traction that is doing two things. We are reducing the lumbar lordosis. We are forcing the sacrum forward. At the same time, we are dealing with her forward head carriage and her loss of cervical lordosis. So this is a double traction that again starts very gently and over time builds up to create the mechanical changes.